Hi no-coders, in this lesson, we will learn about responsive web design, that is, grid system, which uses a series of containers, rows, and columns to lay out and align content to build a responsive web page which works across different screen sizes. DrapCode, as a no-code platform, is built in such a way that allows users to create a fully responsive web application using this grid system. Grid system considers majorly 5 different screen sizes, and they are: extra small screens, such as small mobile phones; small screens such as regular mobile phones; medium-sized screens such as tablets; large screens such as desktop and laptop; extra large screens such as external monitors. A responsive grid has 12 columns, and has a total width of 100%, and will shrink and expand as you resize the browser window. Container is the topmost element and provides a means to center and horizontally pad your page contents. Rows are wrappers for columns and divide the container into horizontal sections. Columns are the sections which divide the row into vertical sections, and columns are immediate children of the rows. So we can say that the container can have many rows and each row can have many columns, as shown in the screen. In a grid layout, content must be placed within columns, and only columns may be immediate children of rows. Let's create a simple row-column layout and see it in action. Let us drag and drop a container and give it a background color. Container comes with 2 options. One is fixed width, center aligned on the screen. Other is fluid, that is 100% width across all screen sizes. You can see how the behavior is changing on the basis of fluid or fixed. Now let's drag and drop a row inside the container and give it another background color. Now let's drag and drop a column inside the row and give it another background color. Now let's check out the properties of the column. As you can see, we have the option to divide the row into 12 columns and the option to configure the width of each column in different screen sizes. For the screen layout configuration, let it take the full width on extra small and mobile screens, that is 12 out of 12. For the medium screen, we configure it to occupy the half of the row width, that is 6 out of 12. For the bigger and extra large screen size, let's configure it to occupy 1/3, that is 3 out of 12 width. Let's duplicate these columns so that we have more row of columns in the row for better understanding. Let me give a different name and background color to each column, so that we can see their behavior on different screens. Now let's see how the layout changes once we change the screen size from the viewport layout options. Currently all the 4 columns are occupying the 1/4 of the screen, that is 3 out of 12 sections. Now let's change the layout to tablet screen size from the viewport option of the builder. Now you can see that the columns are occupying half of the screen, that is 6 out of 12 sections. Now let's change the layout to extra small and mobile screen sizes. Now you can see that the columns are occupying the full width of the screen, that is 12 out of 12 sections of the row layout. Similarly on the extra small screen. You can also notice that the container is not occupying the full width on the mobile and tablet screens, as those are the smaller resolution screens. Hope you are able to understand the underlying concept now. This is just a small explanation of the grid layout concept. Similarly, you can create any combination of rows and columns layout depending on the requirement. Hope this video has helped you in understanding the basic concepts of responsive design.